Well, guys,
do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want.
hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Rahma. Please don't forget to subscribe today because we really have a good times here and I don't want you to miss that. So first of all, thank you so much for 1K. I appreciate you. Nimbo afashunga subscribing, nimbo sharing, nimbo like bless you in many ways you can't even imagine. Nukuri, you deserve a blessing. So guys, who can I promising there? I did a Q&A. So today I'm going to be answering some questions you have been asking me, guys. So they are too much, but ngiye gusubizaho some basics because some are privacy, ibindi birasa. So I'm gonna answer some. So guys, first of all, before I start answering these questions, please do subscribe. Go there and subscribe and come back again. Thank you. Have you subscribed? Thank you. So let's start. It's not even a question. Well, je t'aime trop. Uzatwereke your hair muri vlog. Thank you so much. Je t'aime aussi. I can speak French, yo. Je t'aime aussi, if I'm right. Uzatwereke your hair muri vlog. So, well, I'm a Muslim. I wasn't even supposed to be showing some hairs, but since I'm not a perfect Muslim and I'm trying, this is only what I can show. Thank you. Hi Shelly, I like your videos. Thank you so much. Guys, let me address this. Where do you work? Like, to be honest with you guys, I would really like to keep my job and my family out of my social medias and public, because that is, I just consider it, in my opinion, that is private. Like, I would like to keep where I work and my family out of my social medias. Hope you understand. The question was a dukure house tour. House tour for real? Guys, I think you already know my house. It's very small. I think you know everywhere. Yeah, ndagukunda n'umutima wanjye wose. Thank you so much. Thank you. Another question. Assalamu alaikum. Walaikum salam. How old are you? How old am I? Well, I'm 25, but mentally I'm 19. So please, nidura ukumva ndakubwiye ngo I'm 19, don't judge me. I choose 19. Age is just a number, so for me I choose 19. You can choose yours as well. Thank you. Itindi, another question. What thing do you like most on your body? Well guys, I like my neck. First of all, I really like my neck. I don't know why, it's weird, but I like my neck. I mean, my favorite two parts of my body, one is my neck, another one, I can't say it. Thank you. I like your lifestyle. Thank you so much, guys. I showed you how you can rock this style in my previous video. Please go and check it. Hanyuma nzabereka niba nsutse, nzabereka how you can, style other styles of head scarf kubera yuko for now kuko mfite imisatsi gusa, this is only what I can show because it's simple and easy. I just want to meet you. Inshallah, one day we'll meet. Another question is, what is your biggest insecurity? Well, my biggest insecurity, like physically, it's something I can just share because, honey, take this from me. Ntuzagira umuntu ubwira insecurities zawe. Don't, because that is what they will use to destroy you. Don't ever talk about your insecurities. I mean, physically, girl, don't tell people that, sorry, I can't say it, but character-wise, I don't like how I'm very quiet. Like, can be free, can't lose it. Sometimes I can lose it, and I don't like that. Sometimes I have to lose it, but I can't. So I'm working on that. I can't approach people. Like, I can't just come and talk to you from nowhere, and I would like to tell you something and be like, let me just keep quiet, and it's not a good thing. So I'm working on that. How do you deal with depression and anxiety? So first of all, guys, like, everyone has their own struggle and everything. So the way I deal with depression and anxiety, because sometimes I have this future anxiety, yeah, but the way I deal with it is I just pray, you know, like whatever that meant for you will find you. I'm not saying go and sleep and wait for things to happen, but if you already know that you did your part, you work hard, you just did your part, please don't stress about it, because God knows when and right time you're going to get that. So please don't stress yourself. Whenever you feel yourself in anxiety and depression, go there, have fun, watch my videos and have fun, and talk with someone you trust. Like, have fun with your friend, watch my vlogs. Yeah, just find something fun to do. Don't just sit in your bedroom and sleep all day and cry. Don't do that, honey. It's not good for your health, right? Thank you. How tall are you? Well, I have 1.71 centimeter. Like, guys, I don't know how to count in feet. Yeah, 1.71 centimeter. Yeah, I think it's 5 something feet. I don't know, I don't count in feet. Wigeze ujya muri Miss Rwanda? No, I didn't. Are you mixed? Like, you actually look like Habisha, Somali, and yeah, no, I'm not. I'm actually Rwandan. What is your favorite meal? Well, I like rice, I like indomie, I like eggs, and I like meat, but I don't like beef that much. Like, mostly I like fish and chicken. Mostly I can eat beef, but I don't like it. How can you detach from someone you was attached to? Well, I don't really get attached to people. But I can give you some tips. Maybe, in my opinion, try something like nimba. Let's say you are attached to someone where you go, and he was caring about you, he was, giving you attention. Try to bring that first off, right? Try to bring that first off. Nimba arakubwiraga ko ari mwiza, go in front of your mirror and tell yourself, you know what, I'm beautiful, I look nice, I deserve better. Choose you, honey. Shaka ikintu bituma attached. akenshi uzasanga wenda ni attention, ni things like that, and give it to yourself. Try to give it for yourself. Nimba yarakujyanaga out, nimba yarakubwiraga kuri mwiza, nimba yaraguhaga time, like give yourself time. Take yourself out. Tell yourself you're beautiful. Go in front of your mirror and say, you know what, I'm beautiful. I really look nice. I'm so gorgeous. Like the universe will, deliver all of that for you. I get this from someone. Is my love language. Well, my love language is quality time, gift, and word of affirmation. Tell me that I'm beautiful every day from morning. Don't call me my name. Don't call me my name. Call me beautiful. Call me like something sweet. Yeah, I like. So another one asked me, how do you express your love to someone you love? Well, it's kind of toxic. But there is some positive. So first of all, let's say positive ways. I pray for you. I pray for you. I think about you. I value you. Like, I can show you my family. I can say, you know what, this is my friend, this is my, something like that. But because hanyuma in toxic ways, I start acting weird. I start getting angry. I start complaining. Like everything annoys me. Kubera yuko the way I express my love to someone, like small details ndazireba kandi mu buzima busanzwe. I don't get angry. I don't care. I'm so unbothered. But whenever I start complaining this and that, blah blah blah, that's how I express my love to someone. It's kinda toxic. I don't like new love. Do you have a boyfriend? Well, boyfriend, I don't really believe in a boyfriend relationship because I like to be with a man, not a boy. Yeah, Cindy. Yeah, guys, it's too much. Let's get to be niranga and continue with our vlog. Yeah, thank you.
It's Vito, baby.
Hey guys, I hope you're all doing amazing. So guys, I'm going for work trip in Rubavu district, which is located in northern province of Rwanda. This place is so beautiful. Oh my god, I can't wait to explore.
He remains the same every single day. Yesterday, today, I let him hold my hand and I follow all his plans. Sometimes I don't understand, but to trust is what I can do. Cause he made me new. And
you say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we're falling off, baby. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just.
So guys, after that I went to this market to look for these small fishes. Yeah, I really wanted to buy this for my mom because she really loves this.
It's Vito, baby. Feelings, I can't lie.
So guys, it was my first time here and I was here for pizza because I've been hearing people saying that our pizza ziryoha, things like that, and I'm a really big fan of pizza and it was worth it. That is for tonight. this is what I'm gonna have. It's iced coffee. I made it, and then leftover. I got this from PDP last night. I was removing this sausage. I don't eat sausage, ndazanga. I don't like them. Mind you, nizo nyinshi kuri pizza. Oof. I don't. Yeah. But this pizza, it's really delicious. Very delicious.
You're a perfect man. Got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was, but I'm to you.
So guys, I just go home. Mvuye muri also. Is it also? I don't know. I think it's also Rwanda. Also Rwanda. This one says also beauty. Ariko kuri Instagram witwa also Rwanda. So nagiye gushaka foundation actually, and this is the foundation, guys. Banje baransiga kugira duhitemo. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. But I think this one will. I think this one really fits my skin very well. So we chose different foundations, and nahisemo iyitwa Shea Infusion. This is what I got. I think this one is nice. Hanyuma nakangaka, I'll show you. Nakaka blusher. Karasa neza, right? I like the color though. Let me show you inside. Hano naka iyi ni mirwari. Wow, I like this. Ngako ushobora gukoresha aha cyangwa aha. Yeah, they are really affordable, guys. I'm not advertising though, but I just like them. Maybe if you want to, makeup as well, you can check there. So far so good. Now I have makeup, but I think my foundation I have right now, I used to have, it wasn't really matches my skin tone, so that's why I was like, let me go there and check. But I think this is good. This is good. Also Rwanda. Yeah, and also guys, I mean the staff, there is this one girl who was there. She was helping me to choose the foundation. Yarari consiga. Like, their service is on point as well. If you need a makeup, also Rwanda is the price. They are so affordable. I think I paid like how much? I paid 19,000 for both of them. Girls, some foundation, they can cost your leg, but this, it's nice and affordable. Another thing, girlies, it's always important to check the expiry date of the foundation, because most of the the foundation, they can only last for 12 months, which is 1 year. So it's always better to change the foundation after 1 year. I Kigali.
Uyu naveni.
Ntabwo babyitira.
Kabiri ebyiri. Azamo aveni na sindi.
Urakoze. So guys, today I just woke up and I really wanted to cook, but I was feeling lazy to go to the market, and sometimes I feel lazy to go and shop to the market. And I was scrolling on TikTok and I saw this girl who is always advertising Kizere something, and I went there and kiramo application Dodaringa, and bahise babinzanira. It wasn't even take long. Like the veggies was very fresh. I really like it. Highly recommended, guys.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find an image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within her, call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher. Fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher. Fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up, you're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof I touch, put up a guarding. Count to 10, lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire, fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now, forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold day. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away now.
Fena değil ya, beğendim bunları.
Abi hepsini görmedim.
Bilmiyorum Robin abi.
Yanlış cevap.
Mahallemde prestijli tesisini yaptım. Tesis yapıyorum. Hayatınız kayacak. Bunu mu istiyorsunuz?
Geldim Robin abi geldim. Boncuğu bırak.
lips you touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me.
Morning clothes, even though it's what we want, can't keep it tough. But I just don't wanna leave you. Might just know it the reasons why we both can't lay here. And secret, both gotta keep it honest. That's just a game, you know. We both can play. For tonight, I'm yours. Hi.